Well, strong day for the bulls ahead of the budget, ahead of the FOMC, I must say. A very strong move, one that was unexpected, much as yesterday's fall was unexpected. And banks leading the way, 1.4% up, courtesy HDFC Bank. But the Nifty and the Sensex were today punctuated by gains to the auto pack and the pharma pack. Frankly, that was it. Bring up the mid-cap and the small-cap indices once and just see what's happened there. Look at the market breadth. The advanced decline ratio was solid. It was looking very, very strong for a better part of the day. And this explains why. 1.6% gains for the mid-cap index and over 2% for the small-cap index. Just shows you the kind of gains that happened today. Bring up the market breadth very quickly before we get to the individual movers. And you can see how strong it stayed for throughout the trading day. Good, solid show. Bring up the heat map, a peppering of green, very little red. I'll start off with the red because there's only one stock worth talking about, Larsen & Toubro, down 4% after the results. This might also get corrected at some point of time because frankly the numbers were not so bad as well. Let's wait and watch what happens going ahead. But pharma and auto, look at the top list, and there is Dr. Reddy's, there is Sun Pharma, there is Divi's, and there is Cipla from the pharma pack. And then there was auto. So Eicher Motors, Tata Motors amongst the gainers. There was Mahindra & Mahindra. There is Maruti up 2% after the numbers. So strong showing today. Dr. Reddy's, Maruti, as well as Sun Pharma were all result reactions. So very, very solid moves there. Then if you just look at the individual movers within that index beyond, like for example, Nifty Pharma, if we can pull up and just show you what happened there. Just one index that I want to show, the Nifty Pharma gainers. Look at that. Dr. Reddy's, Gland, Biocon, Laurus Labs, Lupin, everything had a great move. So just goes to show how strong the moves were. And even at the broader end of the spectrum, just quickly, the last thing that I want to mark are some of the stocks that would have done well at the mid-cap and small-cap end of the market. So if you can get up the BSE 500 gainers, or the top three movers on either the BSE mid-cap, BSE small-cap, what have you, you will see what I'm talking about. Some pretty strong moves at a lot of broader end of the spectrum stocks. Voltas, not so bad numbers. The stock market had gone into the results short, and that stock recovered. PNB on the fundraise recovered. Gujarat Gas about 4.8% higher, as also M&M Financial a result reaction, and Concor about 2.5%. So strong showing for a clutch of names in the session today. All in all, just the kind of data the bulls would have wanted ahead of the budget.